Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am going to transform my holiday wreath from Weston Farms. This beautiful magnolia base is long lasting and it looks great for years and years. To make this worthy of the cold winter that we're experiencing, I am going to take some branches from one of my favorite native shrubs, the Croton alabamensis. So let's take a stroll in the garden and I'll show you how easy it is to pair a native plant into this beautiful wreath from Weston Farms. Here we are with one of my all-time favorite native shrubs, Croton alabamensis. Now I've just written about this for the Soil Cube blog, so be sure to visit that to get all of the information you need to successfully grow this beautiful plant. One of the main reasons I love it is because of the foliage. Here we are in the middle of January. We've already had temperatures down into the teens, and look, it looks perfect. I have it here growing in full sun with southwest facing exposure, and it's planted, of course, directly in Soil Cube, which is the reason that it does so well. Now for today's wreath purpose, I'm just going to gather a few small tips so that I can show you how dynamic the brilliantly silver backs of these leaves will look against the dark brown southern magnolia foliage. First, look at that contrast. What I love the most about the Croton is this really incredible silver back on each of the leaves. And that's what I want to focus on. Now, I originally came up with this idea when I was making arrangements for my wedding back in 2012. I was working with Aaron Weston, who did the majority of the flower arrangements for my wedding. And I said, I really want there to be some silver. We brainstormed and came up with the inclusion of Croton alabamensis. Now every winter when I do this to my holiday wreath, I'm reminded of the fun that we had in preparation of my nuptials. Now you can see I'm not even really attaching these branches. I'm just kind of sticking them in, and I'm focusing so that the back side of the leaf is what you see. What do you think of the finished product? This was a super easy, fun, creative way to use a plant in my landscape to jazz up a seasonally appropriate wreath, especially considering we have snow in the forecast. I think this is gonna look great hanging right here on my back patio. So every time I come outside, I can enjoy it. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to do the same, and remember, be sure to read my full blog at soilcube.com. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.